had to come in over here. I got nothing to tie it to or to hook it up to, so I use some test of tape here and there. And then coming over here, I had to solder this one to that one. So I cut it here, right? Just like that. As you can see, you see the colors on these, right? White, brown, brown, blue, and yellow, and black, gray. But going in here, the colors will be different. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. So this one got ambient lighting, and this for the old 13 to 16 Fusion, and this is 2019 Fusion. So the ambient lighting on the 13 to 16 were laid out a little bit different. So I ended up buying the wrong stuff, but you gotta make it work. Another thing also, it's not supposed to hook up right here, but I forced it in here, so now it stays down nice and neat. Zip tie the two together over here. So overall, you know, here you got your lock, unlock indicator. Goes this way, goes under this, right here. Alright, goes back around, and this plugs into the connector that's in the door. Alright, and then here's the one for the door handle. So because it doesn't sit flush inside that little slot, so I use some tester tape to keep it down. I shrink wrap the whole thing so the light can be brighter, and mount it over here. So as you can see over here, this is where the compatible, the one that was intended for it, would mount, and it's a shorter distance, as you can see, very short. So this one mounts way back here. Don't know why, but I was fortunate enough that it landed here, so that one can actually fit right in front of the hole that's above the door handle. Alright, so I use some tester tape, tape it down so the whole thing can be bright. And this one down here, same thing, tester taped it, but this one was a fit. There was no problem with that one, it's a perfect fit. Alright, that's all I got.